There are many ways to successfully farm in this dry season. I would like to know which method works best for you. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Chidera. On today's video, I would like us to discuss in the comment section the dry season techniques you have tried so far. Despite we have experienced rain over here, we are still in dry season. So I would like to know the dry season techniques you have practiced that has worked for you. Let's interact in the comment section. If this is your first time of seeing my face on your screen, do well to like, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to see my video whenever I post a new video. So let's discuss which of the dry season techniques you have practiced so far as a farmer or a beginner. So when it comes to dry season techniques, we have the drip irrigation, the drought resistant crops, soil mulching, and rainwater harvesting. Which of these methods have you used? Personally, for me, let me start with soil mulching. I've used dry grasses to mulch during dry season farming, which is affordable for me. I didn't go for the mulching thing, which I see it to be more costly. So I use the dry grasses to protect and surround the area where I planted my vegetable. So I have tried the soil mulching with dry grasses. Also, I have tried using drought resistant crops. Like I have been talking in some of my videos that you need to use drought resistant crop, especially during the dry season farming. We have crops that can perform well in the dry season, so you need to use drought resistant crops, which for me I have tried it and it came out good. And also irrigation, yes, I used borehole water and not rain harvested water. I've not tried that before. So there was a borehole and I used borehole water to irrigate my crops. So for those that have tried the rain harvested water during the rainy season, you harvest the water and save in the tank or wherever. Let's know in the comment section. I want this video to be interactive so that we will learn from each other. So if you have tried the rainwater harvesting, let me know in the comment section so that we can interact. And also, if you have used drip irrigation to irrigate your farm, of course most farmers, what they do is to use drip irrigation to irrigate their farms during the dry season. So if you have used drip irrigation as a farmer or as a beginner in farm business, let me know. Okay, although we are still expecting the rain, most farmers depend on rain fed, so they are all looking up to the rain to start up their farming activities. So if you as a farmer who ventured into dry season farming and you have used all these techniques, or you have used one or two of the techniques, let me know in the comment section. Let us interact. So I'll be stopping this video here, and also watch some of my videos on dry season farming. I will be leaving the link up here so that you go and watch it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share, also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks. Have a nice day. Bye.